Hi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really late getting this up. I know I am because I am late filming it, but I was determined to get this up today. It's a part 2 of Valentine's tutorials. Today we're going full glam. As glam as I can possibly get myself today. So I have a shit ton of makeup in front of me, and I even have a brand new makeup item that I've been dying to try out and waiting for the perfect look to do with. So we're gonna try that out today. You'll see it'll be probably the last thing we put on. Foreshadowing! Good lord, my hair is big. Okay, people, let's do this. I'm gonna use the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Good god, it smells good. I can't get over it. I can't tell if I actually love this primer or if I just really love how it smells. Next, I'm gonna actually use foundation. Oh my god. I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, my favorite. I am way too lazy to go soak my beauty blender, so I'm gonna just spray the shit out of it. Now I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape to conceal. Now I'm gonna go into my CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder, and I'm just gonna tap under my eyes. And now I'm gonna use my NYX Wonder Stick, do a little bit of contouring over here and down here. Use the light side to lighten. Use my Beauty Blender to blend the booty. Man, I feel cakey already. That's how we want it, right? I'm gonna take a giant floofy brush and go into the Physicians Formula Sexual Bronzer, and I'm just gonna pounce this everywhere that I want it. Why does it smell so good? Blush. I'm gonna be using the NARS Mini in Orgasm. Yeah, baby. Next is highlight. I'm going to be using the Master... This one's in Diamond Glow. Whew. Is this too much? And some down on the chest area. Do a little spritzy spritz. Now, I'm going to get my eyebrows on real quick. I'm just going to be using my Dip Brow in Auburn. And now it's time for eyes. For today's eye look, I am going to be fully delving into the ABH Sultry palette aesthetic. So I'm going to start by taking Fresh, and I'm going to use that to set my eyelids, because I am so not one of those people that can blend without powder. I'm going to go into Birch, and I'm going to use that to create my eye shape here and get a transition on. And then before I blend that, I'm just going to run this down my lower lash line. Floof all this out. I'm actually going to pick up Bloom. I'm going to blend that over top. Really build up that pink. Now I'm going to take some of that on my finger, and I'm going to just kind of rub that on in the bare areas. Now I'm going to wet a little tiny slanted brush, some of Ember, and that's going to go on the lower lash line. I'm going to take some of Steampunk, and that is going to go right in the center of my lid here. And I'm going to take some more Bloom on a floofy brush and just kind of fluff above that. I'm going to use the Stila eyeliner. A line here. You can do a wing. I'm not energetic enough for that today. Oh, apparently I'm doing a little one. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna darken up my upper lash line with the Annabelle Kohl liner. Ooh, that is smoky. And then of course I'm gonna finish the eyes off with some Stila huge ass mascara. Whew, it has been a while since I got this glam. Alrighty, and last but not least, I have the thing I've been so excited for. I got one of the Ciate Glitter Storm. Holy shit. I cannot wait to put this on my face. This is the tube. Now, I got the shade Topaz. And let's just take a moment here. Just... what? Like, bask in that. I have been dying. Oh. Oh. This. Oh. Somebody fan me, I am verklempt. So unbelievably perfect. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want, leave me down in a comment. Me personally, just put me on down there. Leave a comment if you got one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I will have pictures up on the Instagrams. Happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy whoever or whatever you're cuddling tonight, and we will see you in the next one.
Wow.